people, so today's video is going to be quite special because I'm going to speak about amethyst stone. This particular jewelry I got from this brand called Gem Pro on Amazon, and amethyst is a crystal. The funny thing about life is very few people stop to understand that stones, since they come from the earth, have naturally healing energies. Like the universe is actually the world, the planet is one pulsating ball of energy. So when you wear these stones that come from the earth, it's at some level you are aligning with those energies. So amethyst, I was just reading up, they say amethyst calms the mind, and it raises one's spiritual vibration. It raises one's vibration. So for the lay person it might sound like, what is she saying, how can it raise the vibration and all, but it does. And especially I feel when I'm wearing amethyst earrings, I mean, it affects the Siyasar chakra, Agnyaya chakra, Vasudha chakra, Anahat chakra, solar plexus, Swadhisthana chakra, Mooldhara chakra. These are the 7 chakras of the body. So really, when you wear amethyst jewelry, it kind of you actually feel calm. I don't know the logic behind it. I don't know, but the logic is this: that since it comes from the earth, it it kind of vibrates at a certain frequency. So when you wear it on yourself, the rest of you also begins to vibrate to that frequency. Because in this Japanese healing organization called Happy Science, they say everything on this planet is frequency. The people who get constant nightmares, they are tuning into a certain frequency. The ones who are happy all the time have a certain frequency. And in fact, I read this WhatsApp forward saying that this COVID, the virus vibrates at a very low frequency. So people who are feeling sad, low and depressed also are vibrating at a low frequency, and so that's when the immunity drops and you are more likely to catch a certain any kind of virus and all. But if you want to raise your vibration and feel happy, it, believe it or not, these things also help. Maybe it's just the thrill of shopping or just buying something, and it's not too expensive. Yeah, you can get it for like 350, 360 bucks and it's yours. And it makes such a big difference. So uh, amethyst really calms the mind and you begin to feel spiritual. There's no other way to say this. So truly, people, try and get yourself amethyst, either a ring or earrings, or maybe you could wear these amethyst malas also. But it is a stone, and it is literally the queen of all the stones. So it is so worth wearing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.